What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Let's talk about it because it seems like the Beam Squad is trying to stage a breakup too. For the simple fact, they watch Rissa and Quan trending all over YouTube. Everywhere you go, you see Rissa and Quan, Rissa and Quan, Rissa and Quan. Rissa and Quan made a bag off of this breakup, and I'm not saying that it was fake, but they said they didn't break up, but they was moving like they was broken up. They were moving each other off their Instagram. Quan said he was single. Rissa wasn't rocking her ring, so I don't care what nobody say. Y'all might disagree to the things that I'm gonna say. Rissa and Quan dragged this breakup. Yes, at the beginning, Rissa and Quan was mad at each other, right? Check me out. Please don't judge me. So, remind you, the first day that everybody knew that Rissa and Quan broke up, everybody ran to this video right here. This video right here has 200 and something K views. So, the day that Quan came to the internet and said that he was single for life, this video shot up 300 some K views. So, the next video that Rissa and Quan put out, it was a clickbait title video to get everybody to run over there to see what it was talking about. But it wasn't really talking about their situation. And this video got, what, almost 500 K views. Now, the next video that they put out was addressing everything, but in reality, they didn't address nothing. But that video got 1.2 million views. So, you know, you got a lot of YouTube couple channels seeing Rissa and Quan blow up for this whole entire week. They got 2 million views in 1 week on their channel. That's a lot. That's a lot. Rissa and Quan ran up a bag and they capitalized off their own drama. And I'm not even hating on them for, you know, for dragging it, because they knew they never broke up. They did not come to the internet. They did not make any status about them not actually breaking up. They wanted everybody to think they was broken up because Rissa and Quan are YouTubers. They make money on views and clicks. Anywho, so now you got the Beam Squad watching Rissa and Quan blow up on this internet, you know, breaking up. You know, everybody say, oh my God, Rissa and Quan broke up. Let's run and see what's going on. You know, that's what everybody was doing because they love Rissa and Quan. And here comes the Beam Squad. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this situation. Do y'all think a lot of these YouTube couples about to follow Rissa and Quan's mysterious breakup?
I'm starting to think something is wrong with Billy, because something must be wrong with that man. He thinks something is wrong with me for acting accordingly. If we have an argument or a disagreement and I come to the internet, one thing you don't do is come to the internet too. I don't know, but let's just say, which he did. It is what it is. But he is going further by stunting on me with a new car, like I'm supposed to care or cry about it. Like I can't go cop a car. I could cop a car if I wanted a car. I don't want a car. Then goes out all day, goes to the club, posts it online, then come back home and think he's gonna sleep in the bed where I'm sleeping at. Something's wrong with this man, and he thinks something's wrong with me. But everything that he's been doing is aligned with how I've been responding to him. You do dumb shit, I do dumber shit. I'm not going for none of this stuff that he got going on. I'm not gonna go back and forth with him. I ain't doing none of that. I just have to say, keep playing, keep doing you, and I'm gonna do me. And what's crazy is I just posted a whole video on YouTube where I go deep about a lot, because it's a lot between us. We've been together for so long. Imagine me being upset and y'all saying that I don't have a right to be upset, when I feel like y'all not looking at it from my point of view. My point of view is I done stuck behind him through a lot of stuff. Going to prison, went to prison with him. I could have done things to not go to prison and he go to prison by himself, but I didn't do that. I rolled with him. I had his back. I stood with him. So if I get pregnant, I feel like you don't tell me to get abortion. You stand with me, just like I stood with you with everything that we've been going through. So that's why I felt hurt, which I feel like was valid. What wasn't valid is his reaction because I'm hurt. Don't go. Now he beating me mad, y'all. Now he beating me mad. And I don't care.